Well, guys, it is the first demolition derby of the year, and this is the car we're going to take. Is it 100% ready? Absolutely not. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to spend a little bit of time just finishing this thing up today. I did spend quite a bit of time on it yesterday. We got the fire extinguisher in. I found out that I never actually bolted the battery box to the floor. So that was something I had to do. There's quite a bit of other little things I did to it. The next thing we got to do is disconnect this trailer from this truck. And the reason for that is it's May. As you guys can see, it's very wet because it's rained for the last 5 days. So everything is going to be extremely wet, and we're going to bring the girlfriend's nephews with us. So what we're going to do is we're going to unhook the trailer from the Dodge, and we're going to hook it up to our bus. So I have to get some measurements, and I have to figure out the proper height hitch to be able to tow that trailer down the highway nicely. Unfortunately, my brother needed the 2 5/16 ball off this, so he stole this ball. But let's go see what else we need to do. Because of the wet weather, as you guys can see, my little drainage pond is full. I would like to steal the tires off the back of this thing. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them or not, but they'd be it'd be an amazing set of tires to use if I have them. I could take these ones, or I could just maybe build one more of these, because I have to build one of these anyway. I think I only have 17s. I don't think I have any more 16s. Well, maybe I'll build one more of these. I don't know. And then we have to get that tote down from up there, because that's all of my driving gear, like helmet, chest protectors, all that fun stuff. And then what we have to do is we have to build a toolbox that has mini grinders, drills, sawzalls, jacks, all that fun stuff, because this derby is heats. So we do want to fix our stuff. Oh, and the other thing I just thought of is because of how mucky I think this track is going to be, we need to put something else into the car. And can you guys spot what it is? I'll give you 15 seconds to figure it out. So this is a super muddy track, and what we're going to do is that 15 seconds yet? I think we're going to put a radiator in it. Just because of how hard this car is going to be working to push ourselves around in the mud, I think we're going to need a radiator to get out and above and keep moving in the mud. So we're probably going to install that. Oh, and we need to put water inside this thing because it's dry block right now, and that's no good. So it doesn't look like we got a lot done. Honestly, guys, we got a lot done. We got the trailer hooked up. I had to lay down and hook up all the chains in the mud, but we won't talk about that. And then in the back here, that's why I love this bus. It keeps all my tools dry. It keeps me nice and warm, keeps me dry. I've got all my sockets, my jack. This tote right here is filled with parts and Milwaukee tools. I got axles, struts, that kind of thing. I don't think I'm really going to need anything else. I might pack a spare computer just in case it gets wet. And then that tote over there is all my driving gear, like helmet and stuff like that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drive the car on to the trailer, and then we're going to go steal these tires. So, little things left to do. Let's get the car on the trailer. Well, we got it loaded. It doesn't seem to be running extremely well, but I'm gonna put that down to it's very wet. And who knows, it could be out of gas. I doubt it, it might be. It's on my list on the roof to put gas in it. So on the way there, we have to fill up the bus and we have to fill up, oh, this one's broken. On the way there, we have to fill up the bus and we have to fill up the derby car. So that'll be one of our stops. So we just got it loaded and it wasn't too bad, but it didn't really run that good. So it could be that it's wet and it could be that there's a little bit of water in the computer. So I think we might pack an extra computer just to be safe, but it also might be out of gas. So we do have to put gas inside the bus and we have to put gas inside the derby car, and we still have to take those tires. So let's get all this stuff done and then we'll be right back. Well guys, we're gonna make it to the demolition derby. It's gonna be a pretty tough demolition derby this year with the track conditions, with the amount of rain we've had in the last week, and the quality of drivers I think is gonna be very difficult this year. My expectations, I'd like to come top 3. I'd like it to make it to the finals and become top 3. I know that's a pretty lofty goal, but I think I can do it. So we were gonna go, and we are gonna go, but unfortunately, Steven and his envoy is not gonna make it. He drove it up here to just do some final finishing touches to it. It sat right there, started up, drove it to there, and now it's only running on 1 cylinder. He thinks it jumped timing, which would be very, very sad. But I don't know. I hope it's okay. But I don't think he's gonna make it tonight. We've been trying to get it going all week, but we've had no luck. But well guys, we're gonna head to the derby. Hopefully gonna do a prelude. Like I said, I'd like to come top 3. So wish me some luck guys, and thanks for watching. See you there.